Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, it's jyojyotech, and today I'm going to share some tips to fix Valorant VGK.SYS Blue screen error in Windows PC. Okay, if you are facing this type of issue and now you are in the right place, I'm going to give you some tips here. Okay, the VGK.SYS Blue screen of death error in Valorant is typically caused by Vanguard Riot Games anti-cheat system. Okay, it runs at the kernel level and issues with it can result in system instability. There is some steps, just follow that guide and I hope your problem will be fixed. First, you should connect with the internet, then after press Windows plus I key from the keyboard, and here go to the Windows update. Okay, now here click the Windows update and click the update option. Okay, this is the first step. Now second step is that reinstall Riot Vanguard. Okay, how can I do that? Press Win plus R from the keyboard and type scr services.msc. Click OK. Then after, here you have to find out VGC. Okay, VGC. In my case, here is not VGC. If there is VGC, just right click and go to properties and choose the startup type automatic and start. Okay, the VGC should be running in services, right? This is the second step. Now the third step is that enable the secure boot and TPM in BIOS. Okay, what you have to do is click Windows icon and shut down your computer. And after shutting down, now have to just start your computer and press delete F2 or escape key to enter the BIOS menu. After going to BIOS menu, and after enable the secure boot from the boot option, then after enable the TPM if there is available TPM in your laptop. Okay guys, then after press F10 and save and exit. Okay, now next step is that we have to run system file check and DISM. Okay, it will fix the corrupted files of Windows system. What you have to do is press Windows key, type CMD, and right click and run as administrator. Click as. First, you have to copy this command and just enter, and after scan now. Okay, this will scan your system. This may take time. Okay, then after, next is that after completing scan, then I'll just copy this commands and then copy and paste here and just enter, and this will restore the health of the OS. Okay guys, now next step is that I'm going to cancel it. The next step is that we have to check the conflicting software. Okay, if there is any software which is not needed, like MSI, Afterburner, Razer Cortex, Cheat Engine, Driver Verifier. Okay, if these apps are found there, we have to just press Windows R and type FFUIS ppwjyojyotech, then just right click and uninstall if you find that type of apps like MSI, Afterburner, Razer Cortex, Cheat Engine, Driver Verifier, like this. Okay, if there is a third party B version antivirus are installed in the PC, then just uninstall that types of antivirus, okay? It also harms your computer. Now you have to check the health of the RAM. Okay, press Windows+R and type MDS CSED dot and type EXX. Okay, then after restart the computer, and this will check your RAMs and hardware issues of a computer. Okay, these are some guides. And now next solution is that clean boot test. You can clean boot test from msconfig, press Windows+R, then type msconfig, type there. Okay, then click OK option. Then after, you have to go to Services tab, and under Services, then this hide option. Okay, and after, so click this disable all. Just restart your computer. Check the problem fixed or not. If your problem fixed, then let me know in the comment box. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.